Struggling to haul all your gear across the sand? Today, I'm sharing the 5 best beach wagons for sand that make beach trips a breeze. From sturdy wheels to roomy designs, I'll highlight what makes each wagon perfect for sandy adventures, plus the honest pros and cons to help you choose the best fit. Let's roll. Number 1. Overall best pick. Wagon Folding Push and Pull Beach Wagon. The Wagon Folding Push and Pull Beach Wagon is a versatile and durable solution for transporting gear across various terrains. With a 500 pounds weight capacity, it accommodates beach chairs, coolers, tents, and more. The adjustable push and pull handles offer flexibility, while the 360 degrees all-terrain wheels ensure smooth movement on sand, grass, or gravel. The collapsible design allows for easy storage. However, its substantial weight of 28 pounds can make it challenging to lift for some users. Overall, it's a reliable choice for those seeking a sturdy and spacious wagon for outdoor activities. Number 2. My second best pick, Seeky Collapsible Wagon Cart. The collapsible wagon cart is a versatile and durable solution for transporting gear across various terrains. With a 330 pounds weight capacity, it accommodates beach chairs, coolers, tents, and more. The adjustable push and pull handles offer flexibility, while the 360 degrees all-terrain wheels ensure smooth movement on sand, grass, or gravel. The collapsible design allows for easy storage. However, its substantial weight of 28 pounds can make it challenging to lift for some users. Overall, it's a reliable choice for those seeking a sturdy and spacious wagon for outdoor activities. Number 3. My third best pick, MaxSports Double-Decker Wagons Carts. The MaxSports Double-Decker Wagon is a versatile and durable outdoor cart designed to simplify transporting gear. Its two-tiered design includes a spacious main compartment and a lower shelf, ideal for carrying items like chairs, coolers, and umbrellas. The wagon boasts a sturdy steel frame and durable 600D fabric, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Its all-terrain wheels facilitate smooth movement across various surfaces, including sand and grass. However, some users have noted that the wagon lacks wheel locks, which can make it challenging to keep upright when collapsed. Overall, it's a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a practical hauling solution. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Gorilla Carts Collapsible Folding Utility Wagon Cart. The Gorilla Carts Collapsible Folding Utility Wagon, GCSW 7P, is a versatile and durable cart designed for various outdoor activities. With a spacious 7 cubic feet bed measuring 36 inches by 21 inches by 15 inches, it offers ample room for transporting gear. The wagon features flat-free 7-inch tires, ensuring smooth maneuverability across different terrains. Additionally, it includes built-in cup holders and zippered pockets for added convenience. However, some users have noted that the rear wheels can swivel unpredictably when pulling the cart, which may affect control. Overall, this cart is a reliable choice for those seeking a sturdy and spacious wagon for outdoor use. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Whitsunday Collapsible Folding Garden Wagon Cart. The Whitsunday Collapsible Folding Garden Outdoor Park Utility Wagon is a compact and lightweight cart designed for various outdoor activities. Weighing approximately 18.36 pounds, it features a sturdy steel frame capable of supporting up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for transporting gear, groceries, or camping supplies. Its 5-inch solid rubber wheels provide smooth maneuverability on flat surfaces, and the removable 600D Oxford fabric liner offers easy cleaning and maintenance. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite beach wagon for sand? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.